Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, we are from group Night Burger. Today we want to present about our chosen business, Usada Burger. We have 6 members in our groups. Me, Adam, Azizi, Gracie, Valerie, Maria, and Viviana. For the introduction, the Usada Burger is located in Student Pavilion Unimas. They started their business in F&B industry since 2023. Actually, the business is owned by Encik Sabini bin Aji Saji with his wife as a family business. Their product is the homemade patty burgers, which is chicken and beef mostly, and also Malaysian favorite patty burgers, which is Ramly burger. Other than that, they also offer add-on cheese slice, as low as RM2 per slice, chicken sausage, and nuggets. Their starting price for a burger is actually only for RM5. And then their business concept is focusing on berniaga sambil beramal, which is doing business while doing a charity. And they focus on the food quality, affordable meal for focus on Unima student, and also sustainability over the profit maximization because of the motto itself is doing a charity. Other than that, the target market is Unima student and staff, also busy person or individual who looking for fast and affordable meals.
So today I will present the interview findings. First, the main product is homemade burgers. The business uses fresh, high quality ingredients and offers a simple menu that is affordable, especially for students. This helps them attract their main customer, which are mostly Unima students. Next, for their pricing strategy, they use break-even pricing. This means they set their prices just enough to cover costs without focusing on making big profits. The owner also keep tracks of ingredient prices and competitor pricing, for example Food Panda, to make sure their prices are reasonable. In terms of competitors, they face strong competition from big fast food chains like McDonald's and KFC's, as well as online food businesses that offer delivery services. Their customer base mainly consists of Unima students. The customers are loyal because they value the quality of the food and the affordable prices. As for the product differentiation, the business keep the menu small but allows customer to customize their burgers with different toppings like lamb patties. They don't offer combo meals or side dishes to avoid extra costs and reduce the risk of losses. However, the business faces several challenges. One major challenge is the high rent, which they still need to pay even during holidays when customer traffic is low. They also face rising raw material costs. On top of that, they avoid joining food events because of high fees and the risk of financial loss. Lastly, the focus of the business is not on maximizing profit. Instead, they focus on maintaining quality and building trust with customers. They also maintain good relationship with the suppliers to get discount and keep costs stable. Their goals is to run a sustainable and strong business.
For identification of market structure, Usada Burger have fulfilled the 5 characteristics. The first characteristic, number of sellers. 4 other stall burger selling the same product. This indicate many sellers. Second one is level of competition. Usada Burger have the high competition because many sellers. This indicate strong competition. The third one is product differentiation. Usada Burger offer the same use of ingredient, which is their patty. This means the products are identical. The fourth one is control over pricing. They cannot control the price because they are selling the same product, which is burger. This means they are price taker. And for the last one is barriers to entry. It's easy to enter the market because the low startup costs. This means free entry and exit. Justification with microeconomics theory. The first one is number of sellers. According to microeconomic theory, a perfectly competitive market is characterized by the presence of the many buyers and sellers. USADA burgers are selling same product with others 4 burger stalls around Minimas. The second one is product differentiation. In a perfectly competitive market, all sellers offer identical homogeneous products. USADA burger sells the same thing, including the ingredient of the burger. The third one is barriers to entry. In a perfectly competitive market, there are no barriers or restrictions to enter or the exit market. USADA burger able to enter the market because of the affordable startup costs. The fourth one is control over pricing. According to macroeconomic theory, in a perfectly competitive market, there are many sellers, which means no single sellers can influence the market price. USADA burger cannot raise the price by their own as they should follow the market price. The last one is the level of competition. A perfectly competitive market have a high competition. Because USADA burger selling burgers along with other burger stalls, they have the competition higher.
To conclude USADA market structure analysis, USADA burger operates in a perfect competition market because many sellers offer the same homemade burgers. The products are very similar, so customers have many choices and can easily switch to other sellers. USADA burger cannot set its own price and must accept the market price, making it a price taker. It is easy for new sellers to enter the market due to low startup costs and few barriers. Competition is steady with many sellers and no big differences in products. These figures match the economic theory of perfect competition, where many small firms sell identical products, prices are set by supply and demand, and firms make normal profits in the long run.
Hi, my name is Maria Kamala Namarip and my matrix numbers is 104874. I'm going to continue this presentation, and in my part I'm going to talk about diagram illustrating my market structure. So the first one is perfect competition market. In this market, each firm is a price taker. It cannot set its own price because the market decides the price through overall demand and supply. The firm's demand curve is perfectly elastic, shown as a horizontal line where price equal marginal revenue equal average revenue. Or we can simply set it as P equal MR equal AR. For cost, the marginal cost MC curve first falls and then rises due to diminishing returns, while the average cost AC curve is U-shaped. The MC curve cuts the AC curve at its lowest point. To maximize profit, the firm produces at the point where MC equals MR. In the long run, firms only earn normal profit, meaning zero economic profit. For the second one, supernormal profit for a perfect competition in the short run. At point E, the firm reaches equilibrium where marginal cost MC equals marginal revenue MR. At this point, the equilibrium price is P0 and the equilibrium quantity is Q0. Since this is a price taker firm, the price is equal to average revenue and marginal revenue, meaning P equal AR equal MR, and the demand curve is perfectly elastic. In the short run, the firm can earn a supernormal profit, which is shown by the area 0 P0 EQ0. This happens because the market price P0 is greater than the average cost AC. However, in the long run, when other firms see this profit, they will enter the market. As a result, the price will fall and the supernormal profit will disappear, leaving only normal profit or zero economic profit. For the third one, shutdown for a perfect competition market in the short run. At point E, the firm is in equilibrium where MC equals MR. This determines the equilibrium price and quantity shown as P and Q. In this case, the firm is actually making a loss, as shown by the area P1GEP. This means that its total revenue cannot cover total variable costs, and the price is lower than the average variable cost. So, what should the firm do? If the price is above AVC, the firm should continue operating in the short run to cover at least its variable costs. But if price falls below AVC, the firm should shut down immediately because it cannot cover even its variable expenses. When the firm shuts down, it will only bear its fixed costs, unavoidable even without production.
Okay, today I'm going to present my part. My name is Viviana Anjoni and my part is conclusion of it. Okay, Yusuda Burger operation in nearly perfect competitive market offering similar product at market price with a low entry barrier. As a price takers, it cannot set higher price without losing customer. While short-term supernormal profit are possible, long-term profit normalized due to new entrants. This pack challenge Usada Burger thrives through quality, affordability, good service, and strong customer relationship. Provides small business can success with the right strategy and value. That's all from us.